drives us to relentlessly pursue the pinnacle of quality. When you seek to break boundaries and interconnect all possibilities, Haoke stands ready. Within this beacon of industry innovation, Haoke's R&D team embodies the spirit of dedicated artisans, relentlessly advancing technological leadership, responding to increasingly diverse market demands with tailored solutions. While deepening internal expertise, Haoke grows outward. We now hold international certifications, including UL, EAC, CQC, CE, and ROSE, alongside ISO 9001 Quality Management System accreditation. We anchor ourselves in the heavy-duty connector sector, adhering to industry-leading standards while continuously expanding our horizons and driving product evolution. To date, we have developed thousands of connector configurations, meeting electrical and signal connectivity needs across industries such as industrial automation, rail transit, wind energy, and machinery manufacturing. Resisting dust, rain, freezing temperatures, our products deliver reliable protection in harsh environments. To answer the call of precision manufacturing, Haoke focuses on granular performance details, tackles technical challenges, and masters advanced production processes. Equipped with highly automated production lines and cutting-edge machinery, we ensure consistent product quality. Our optimized industrial workflows with dozens of interconnected procedures enable an annual capacity of 1.5 million heavy-duty connector units, empowering smart manufacturing through innovation and craftsmanship that sets industry standards. Digitalization is deeply integrated into our warehousing operations. Leveraging an advanced ERP system, we achieve comprehensive digitization and intelligence in material management, inventory allocation, and order tracking. Our commitment focuses on delivering exceptional value to our clients through top-tier solutions and a steadfast commitment to satisfaction. We aim to be leaders in the industry and experts in technical problem solving. Every member of the Haoke team is filled with passion and love, coming together with unity and courage, connecting every dream and providing the best service for power infrastructure development in China and around the world. For the community of human destiny, connecting a greener and more harmonious tomorrow.